Hello students, and welcome to the second video of the topic straight lines. In this today's video, I'll explain you about the conditions of parallel and perpendicular lines. If the two lines are given perpendicular or parallel to each other, let's see how to find out their slopes and equations of lines. See, let us first recall the condition of parallel and perpendicular lines. If the two lines are parallel to each other, their slopes must be equal. Slope is generally denoted by m. So suppose that their slopes are m1 and m2 respectively, and hence m1 must be equal to m2 if they are parallel. Now the another possibility is that if the two lines are perpendicular to each other, the condition is that their slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. Okay, if the two lines are perpendicular to each other with the slopes m1 and m2 respectively, then m1 must be equal to minus 1 upon m2, negative reciprocal of other. Or after cross multiplying also, we can get equation as m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. m1 m2 it must be equal to minus 1. So remember these two conditions, and accordingly we can solve the examples of parallel or perpendicular lines. See, the equation or the example is to find the slope of line parallel to 4x minus 5y equal to 12. Is the line parallel to our required line, for which we have to find out slope. Let us first chalk out what is given there. Let us first recall it. Let denote that given equation of line by L. So L is equal to 4x minus 5y is equal to 12 given. So let us shift that 12 into left hand side first. Let us write that equation into standard form. 4x minus 5y minus 12 equal to 0. First write that comparison. Identify the values of a, b and c from general equation of straight line. So a is 4 ax plus by. So b is minus 5. You have to write that number with corresponding sign if it is minus. Next, the constant c is equal to minus 12. Okay, is the comparison we get. Now see, this is your given line L. Observe the figure. 4x minus 5y equal to 12, for which suppose that the slope is m, and is the parallel line L1, of which we have to find out slope. Suppose that the slope of that L1 line is m1. So your question is now to find m1 value. Find the slope of line which is parallel to L. Okay, so the slope of given line, let us first identify. Slope m, the formula for finding slope if the equation of line is given is minus a upon b. So here a is minus 4, b is minus 5. Okay, minus a upon b. A is 4, hence it is minus 4 numerator. B is minus 5, and therefore the slope of that given line is 4 by 5 m. Now let us suppose that the required line is L1, for which we have to find out slope. So L1 is the line parallel to given line 4x minus 5y equal to 12. Do denote its slope first of all by m1. Now as it is given that L1 is parallel to L, what we can write or what we can conclude, m1 must be equal to m, and therefore m1 it must be again equal to 4 by 5. Okay, exactly same to that of m, because the lines are parallel. It is already given there in your question, and hence the slope of line L1 is 4 by 5 is your required answer. Next question is find the slope of the line perpendicular to minus 6x minus 9y equal to 4. Do first give preference for comparison, then draw figure, and then go for simplification. So let us first write the given equation of line as 6x minus 9y minus 4, again write into general equation standard form, equal to 0. Shift the constant into left hand side. Do write comparison. What is it? A here. A is minus 6. B is equal to minus 9. We have to write those numbers with respective signs. And the constant C is minus 4. Correct? Now let's draw the figure. Now the lines are perpendicular given. So this is your given line L, suppose. Minus 6x minus 9y minus 4 equal to 0. Of which the slope is m. This we have to assume. L1 is the line perpendicular to L. So this is perpendicular line. Again, assume that its slope is m1. Do first identify the slope of given line. So the slope of given line is m. We have already denoted it by m. So the formula to find slope is minus a upon b. Substitute the values carefully without doing any mistake in sign. So minus of a is minus 6 upon minus 9. So 6 upon minus 9, or it is minus 2 by 3. Keep your answer in fraction, don't write in 2 decimals. So minus 2 by 3 is the slope of line L. Now the next part is we have to find out m1 value. Now it is given there in your question that the lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay. So what is the condition of perpendicularity? The condition of perpendicular is multiplication of their slopes must be equal to minus 1. So let us suppose that m1 is slope of L1. L1 is perpendicular to L. So the condition is m1 into m, it should be equal to minus 1. So what is the value of m1 then? It is minus 1 upon m. Shift that m into RHS. Substitute the value of m there. M is minus 2 by 3. We have already calculated it. Substitute it there. Shift the 3 up. Minus minus get cancelled. So the slope of line L1, m1 is 3 by 2. This is our answer. 3 by 2 is the slope of that perpendicular line. Okay. Hope this is clear to all of you. Next question is, now we have to find out the equation of line which passes through the point minus 6 comma 5, and additional condition is given that parallel to 3x minus 5y equal to 9 is the additional condition given. So the line is parallel to this line. Let us again do the comparison work first. 3x minus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. A is 3, B is minus 5, C is minus 9. So what is that figure? Let us draw that figure first. Find the equation of line passing through the point. So this is your point minus 6 comma 5 through which your required line L1 passes. This is your line L1 which passes through the point minus 6 comma 5. Is the given line parallel to L1, 3x minus 5y equal to 9. Now the condition of parallel line is we have to use here. Okay. So let us first find slope of L, which is m. So what is that m here? Slope of line L, which is minus a upon b. The equation is given, so we can easily find out its slope. Minus a upon b formula is already known to us. So minus 3 upon minus 5. Okay. This is minus 5, but a is 3. So the slope of line L, m is equal to 3 by 5. Now let us denote that required line by L1, which is parallel to given line L. Therefore m1, it should be equal to the slope of L1. It must be again equal to the slope of L, right? Because the lines are parallel. Hence m1, it must be again equal to 3 by 5. So m1 is equal to 3 by 5. Now the given line L1, it passes through the point minus 6 comma 5. Let us suppose that the point is x1 comma y1. Now your question is to find its equation. Its slope is now calculated. We have calculated its slope m1 3 by 5. One point is given. So slope and point is now with us, or we know. So by using which form we can find its equation? By using slope point form. What is its slope point form? It is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here I have written m1 because we have to find out equation of L1 and its slope is denoted by m1. So just modify your formula and write m1 there, not m just. So it is y minus your point is, see the point it was minus 6 comma 5. So y1 is 5, x1 is minus 6. So substitute accordingly. So y1 is 5, x1 is minus 6, m1 is 3 by 5. Already calculated there in the previous slide. Substitute there the values. So the required equation of straight line L1 is, see, 5y minus 25, 3x 18. Do write final answer into standard form. Your first term should be x, second should be y, then constant and equation, and RHS should be equal to 0. So this is our required equation of L1. Is the example in which two lines parallel given. Let's see the last one more example in which the two lines perpendicular given. Find the equation of line passing through the point 3 comma minus 4. and it is perpendicular to the line 8x plus 6y minus 15 equal to 0. Do that comparison work first. Here a is 8, b is 6, c is minus 15. Identify its slope. Slope of L is again by using the formula minus a upon b is minus 8 upon 6, that is minus 4 by 3. Write that notations L1, M1, etc. Now L1 is perpendicular to L. So by using that perpendicular condition, multiplication of their slope should be equal to minus 1, and by that logic or by that formula, M1 it should be equal to minus 1 upon M. Okay, shifting that M into just RHS, it will get divided by, is therefore equal to minus 1 upon, this is your slope of given line L, which is minus 4 by 3, get substituted there, 3 goes up, again minus minus plus, so the slope of L1 required line is 3 by 4. Fine, the point is given, denote that point by x1 by 1 again, and then use again slope point form, because the slope is identified, point is given. By using slope point form, again we can find equation of line as y minus y1 is minus 4, x1 is 3, slope is 3 by 4, which we have calculated. So the simplification is 4 get cross multiplied into left hand side, 4 into y plus 4, do put bracket to avoid silly mistakes, 3 into x minus 3, simplify, open those brackets, write into standard form at last, 3x minus 4y minus 25 equal to 0 is the required equation of line which is perpendicular to given line. Okay, so hope all the 4 examples are clear to all of you. Here we will stop. Thank you everyone. Happy learning and have a nice day.